See the bubbles?
Good morning, Gabe. We're showing Gabriel bubbles for the first time. Ready?
Here they come.
What are those? Mom's not very good at blowing these, huh?
There
There
they
you
are.
go, Gabe. Can you get him? He's like,
Look, here it comes. There they are. Get him. Get him.
he closes his eyes.
Pop.
Yeah, you're getting him. Get these ones. He just wants the bubble container. You're so smart, Gabe. So, Grandma's gonna make them. Ready?
Here they come.
Grandma. Look over here.
Gabe. Whoops, I dropped it. Here it comes.
Wow, look at all those. Can you go get it? Can you go get the bubble? Yeah, good job. Pop him. Get this one over here. Good job. Can you get him? Good job. He probably doesn't know where they go.
I know.
He's probably like, there's a bubble on his head. That's hilarious. Pop.
Oops. You want to blow? Go. You want to blow it? Okay, blow.
Ready? Whoa! Look at all those bubbles. There's one right there. Oh.
That was fun, huh? Says it's old hat now.
He's so fun. Gabe, look at the bubbles right there. Can you get it for Mama? Yeah.